Right. The next types of relationships we're going to talk about, and there's going to be four of them, and that's going to be angle pairs, so pairings of angles. Okay, the first two, the ones that we're going to talk about today, have to do with angles formed when two lines intersect. So if we look at these two lines intersecting here, forming angles 1, 2, 3, and 4, a linear pair is defined as the adjacent angles that are formed when those two lines intersect. So the linear pair would be angles 1 and 2, angles 2 and 3, angles 3 and 4, and finally angle 4 and 1. And each of those is a linear pair. Okay, so when you're looking at a linear pair, the property that is true for all linear pairs is embedded within its name. It's a pair of angles that form a straight line. So what does that mean the sum of the angles has to be? Matt? 180. So the sum of the angles in a linear pair is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so what that means is we can actually write the relationship for all of these angle pairs. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. 3 and 4 add up to 180. And finally, angle 4 and 1 add up to 180. Okay, and all of these are justified by just the definition of linear pair. Okay, so by definition, again, definitions, postulates, axioms, and theorems are what we can use to justify. So we'll use this as the definition of a linear pair. It's a pair of adjacent angles formed when two lines intersect whose sum is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so again, as simple as you can get is this first example. What would B have to equal given the definition of linear pair here? 130, right? B plus 50 has to equal 180. It's a linear pair. And so if we subtract 50, we get our answer for